The word we'll be learning in this section is taira, which you will often hear when talking about describing the physical characteristics of objects or surfaces. The word taira means something that is flat, level, or even. It's used to describe surfaces without any bumps or dips. You might use it when talking about a flat table, a smooth road, or an even piece of land. The first kanji means flat, even, peaceful, or calm. In a word like heiwa, it gives the sense of peace and calm that makes the whole word mean harmony. In a word like kohei, it carries the idea of evenness, so the word means fairness or impartiality. The desk is flat. 机は平らです。机は平らです。I walk on a flat road. 平らな道を歩きます。平らな道を歩きます。This island is flat. この島は平らです。この島は平らです。The garden of his house is flat. 彼の家の庭平らです。彼の家の庭平らです。The most common synonym of the word taira is heitan, which also means flat or level. However, heitan is often used more specifically to describe geographical features like landscapes, which are flat without inclines or declines. The most common antonym of the word taira is dekoboko. This word refers to something that is uneven, bumpy, or rough, indicating a surface with irregularities, unlike the smooth nature of taira.